What's the meaning of ague? Ague. 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 The word ague refers to a type of fever that is characterized by recurring chills and shivering. It is typically caused by malaria or other infections and can be accompanied by sweating, headaches, and general malaise. The term is often used in older medical literature and is not commonly used in modern clinical settings. Overall, ague is a non-specific term that describes a particular pattern of symptoms rather than a specific disease or condition. Effective treatment of ague requires proper diagnosis and management of the underlying cause.